inspired you to research the ketogenic diet? So when I started this journey, I was always interested in how we can improve the way that we are treating patients. So that should be the goal, I think, of any clinical or scientific researcher, to improve on what we currently have. I ended up at the University of South Florida for my PhD. So I went there after getting my bachelor's degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Hendrix College. I always knew I wanted to be a scientist. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to study. So I showed up at USF, and that's where I met Dr. Dominic D'Agostino. We met up and he told me about some of the research he had been doing looking at ketones as a mitigation strategy for central nervous system oxygen toxicity. He kind of became interested in the role of ketones by looking at the epilepsy literatures, and so he was looking at using ketogenic diet in this state. At that time though, he had also been kind of interested in, based on some early data that he was getting out of his lab. That's when I showed up. I remember having a long chat with him that first time I met him, and I just thought this was such a cool idea. Thinking back now, it's kind of funny because it's like all I think about now. And at that time, it was very much not recognized. As I was growing up, my father started seeing cognitive and physical decline that was associated with the radiation therapy that he had. There's absolutely no reason to think that the standard of care therapies that are available are not like the best that we know and have available, but we should always be trying to improve them, right? And so from my perspective, I've thought, wow, okay, thank God we have this stuff, but what if we could complement what we're doing with our treatments by changing non-toxic things like our diet? I just thought it was really incredible, and I said, let's do it, let's do this project. And so I joined Dr. D'Agostino's lab, and we did some pretty cool work.